Hi, and welcome back to AI Watch Build. Please like and subscribe. So if you had to apply for a job today, would your resume get you hired or ignored? Because most resumes don't fail because people aren't qualified. Resumes fail because they are written badly. What I'm about to show you is how to take a basic simple resume and turn it into something that actually sounds professional. Not fake, not exaggerated, just clearer, stronger, and more competitive. Now, once the words are strong, you want it to look clean and professional. You don't need to be a designer for this. I just dropped it into a simple template. And instantly, it looks like something you'd actually send out. Next step, your resume doesn't live in one place anymore. Recruiters are checking LinkedIn. So I took the same improv version and updated the profile headline. Simple change, big difference. And finally, get it ready for real applications. I turned it into a PDF and uploaded it to Indeed. So now it's ready to go anywhere. And if you are someone that is struggling right now and trying to get back on your feet, you are not left behind. You just need the right tools. And if you find that this helps you at all, please stick with me because we're going to be learning and teaching here. We're going to take AI and break it down to simple, everyday things to help life be better for us, to save us money, and to get ahead. And one more thing before I go, please support your local animal and rescue centers. Adopt if you can. And if you find that AI has improved your life, maybe we can use it to improve theirs. Please find out more at causeimatter.org. Thank you, and until next time.